Naanay bago na suroyanan sa Cebu, mao kini ang restored Freedom Park, sa Carbon Market. Ang Cebu City, ug ang private developer niini, mao ang nagtambayayong, para maibalik sa karaang estado ang Freedom Park. Ang Freedom Park sa karaang panahon, o sa ka-training ground ug martsahan, sa mga sundalong Amerikano. Kaniadto ang Freedom Park, gitawag na Recollect Plaza, pero gi-rename kani sa mga Amerikano, ug gitawag na Plaza Washington. Nahimo sab kining abutanan sa mga magdebate, ug rallyhanan. Sa pagdagan sa panahon, hinay-hinay gihugpaan sa mga manindahay. Sa sentro sa park, makita nato, ang Freedom Obelisk, gipetasan kini sa 15 meters, from the original plan of 9 meters. Ang partnership sa Cebu City Government ug private developer, recognizes Freedom Park, as a vital part of Cebuano culture and heritage, and ensures its restoration, and preservation at its original site, as a vital component, of the 8 billion pesos carbon market redevelopment.
Is there a plan to put a public Wi-Fi?
A plan to put a public Wi-Fi, sa restored Freedom Park, will only be materialized, once the resources are available. Ang Freedom Park, nag-occuper og 2,000 square meter property, ug open na for public, sugod October 28, 2022. Here are some more historical facts about Freedom Park. Dionisio C., consultant of the Cultural and Historical Affairs Commission, in a radio interview said, there was an area in Sitio Warwick Barracks in Ermita, where public debates, particularly on religious issues, and political rallies were held. The place was later known as Freedom Park. Lawyer Democrito Barcenas, in the same radio interview, said it was in 1951, during the stint of then Cebu Governor Sergio Osmeña Jr., that the park was officially named. Jose P. Laurel, held one of his political rallies in the park. As he was making his speech, several unidentified goons arrived. But this did not stop Laurel from continuing his speech. From then on, the area has been called Freedom Park, Barcenas said. Historian Resel Moares wrote that, in the year 1911, baseball games were played in Plaza Washington. Thank you for watching. Subscribe na, sa Cebu-based content channel. Ini ang Cebu in Pictures.